Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get exclusive orbs for the new trunks. This one, because this trunk is get an easy A, so you can get the exclusive orbs from the new event or the old event that get new stage. Let's check out the news first. Tap the news. Tap the event, and this one, Super Warrior Memorial, Trunks Factor of Hope. So the last time you only got till stage 5, and today you got 3. They added 3 more stage that you can challenge, and you get this exclusive orbs exclusive to Trunks Teen Future. So please try this event with the entrusted wheel category on your team. But let's check out the event. This is from story event. This one, tap it. As you can see, this is the new stage 6. Tap the information first. They are added 3 more. So this is the new one, the 6, and if you complete this stage 6, the 2 more will add it. So challenge yourself to get exclusive skill orbs for Trunks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as well click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.